All are joined. 7%, 7 people are joined. Anyone new joining? New people join here, guys?
No, sir.
All right. Guys, which topic we are going to discussing, guys? Data types, huh? Okay. Okay. All are practiced, guys. Primitive data types. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Not practiced, huh? Yeah, stuck in constructor, Vishnu.
Yes, sir.
Can you share, guys, your screen? Where you are stuck?
Once I open, I will share.
Yesterday also not able to see, right?
My system is too slow.
So guys, if you are not able to, if you are facing any issues, so only no need to ask in class only, guys. You can ping me personally also. If I am free, definitely I will connect and I will resolve. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And yeah, we already created group, right, guys? So and I shared that videos also. If people are following or not, guys.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Fine. Yes, sir. Fine.
Yeah. So even though that videos gone through that videos, if you are facing that any issues, definitely you can ping me personally, guys. I will reach out to you and resolve the issue.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Guys, already we had completed what guys primitive data types with that static variable, right, guys? So tell me, guys, what is data type and how many types are data types is there?
Two types of
Yes.
primitive and
Okay, primitive. What are the primitive data types, guys?
Double. Yeah.
floor,
Flora.
short, short, long, double, right.
Rolling. Yeah.
Okay. So I'm asking that question. You are missing my question, guys. What is the purpose of the data types?
Data types are stored variables.
Yeah,
Values.
data types are used to store the values,
Values.
right? You should be tell like that only, guys. Okay. So data types are divided into two types, that is primitive data types and reference data type. Primitive data types again divided into how many types, guys?
Eight.
8 types. That is byte, int, chart, char, float, double, and boolean. long also, right? So this is the primitive data types we already with practically we saw yesterday, guys, right? So with that primitive data types, and if we declare that static variable, so how it is going to allocating that memory? So each and everything we already completed yesterday, guys, right? So who will allocated memory at compare time, guys? Compiler will be allocating that memory at a compile time for that which type of data, guys, which type of variable it is going to allocating that memory, which type of variable, sorry, static variable it is going to allocating memory or non-static variable also allocating memory, guys? Static. Yeah, static variable allocating that memory at compile time. At compile time, compiler allocating that memory, and it can be stored that what value it can be stored, guys. If you are not assigning that any value for that variable, then compiler what value it can be assigning to that memories? Default values. So all the data types have that default value. That default value can be assigned by that compiler, right, guys? So we already completed that point. So you people are facing any issue into that, guys? Low, no issues, right?
No, sir.
Okay. Can we move to that? Can we move to that non-static variable? How it is going to allocating that memory, and what are the default value it will become? Can we see, guys, today? Yeah. Now tell me, guys, before entering into that non-static variable allocating that memory, then how we can define that static variable and non-static variable? Tell me, guys. Which keyword? Static keyword. So if we want to represent a static variable, then we can use that static variable. If we want to represent as a non-static variable, then we can use, we don't use to that static keyword. Yes or no, guys? Right? So if people should be strong into that word, guys, in basic of that this what variables, then how it is going to allocating that memory, you people to understand, right? So compiler, yes.
लिखित this will be joined, sir. You have said.
Liquid solvent. I'm not get, yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. So how we can see that how we can assign that memory for that non-static variable we can see today, guys. Okay, guys, tell me how to create a non-static variable. Guys, we already created yesterday. May I go through the directly that part, guys, in Eclipse, or I need to write that program again here? Or else already I wrote that non-static variable and static variable, guys. This part yesterday we had completed. This part we had already completed yesterday only, right, guys? Can I explain this part here, or I need to write code separately, guys, for that non-static variable? How it is going to allocating that memory? Each and everything I will show you. So if you people to see this diagram, then you people to understand, guys, automatically, right? So what I need to do, I need to create one class, guys. you people to understand if I create that class, right? Okay. See here, guys. I'm going to creating class public class what, guys. I'm going to creating that class name as a data type examples, right, guys? This is the creating of that class, right, guys? Tell me how we can create that non-static variable, guys.
int.
Yeah, we can go with order, guys. We can go with that order. So public byte b equal to, I'm not able to assigning that any value, guys. I'm going to declaring just this is the way to we can declare that variable, right, guys? Public byte b and public what, guys? Short s and public what, guys? Next int I, next public long L, right, guys? So public char T and public float F and public double what, guys? D. And now tell me, guys, what is that next? Public public boolean P1, right, guys? This is the way we can create that variable, right, guys? So if we want to access, if we want to allocating that memory, if we declare that static variable, then that when you are going to declare in that static variable, at that moment when you are going to compile in the application, at that moment compiler will become and allocating that memory for that non-static variable, right, guys? But when non-static members allocating that memory, and how it is going to assign in that default value, can we see, guys, that point, right? So, guys, see here, this is the all variable declared, we are declared here is that non-static variable, guys. So if we read, if people that compile this code, this variable allocating that memory, guys, at compile time, guys, if you people compile this code allocating that memory at that compile time, guys,
No.
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 Then what we have to do? This non-static variable or global variable, guys, we can call as a reference. What we can call as instance variable, non-static variable, global variable, all are same, guys. Okay. So when it is going to allocating that memory means when object is created, at that moment, non-static memory non-static members allocating that memory, and that default value will become, guys. Guys, getting or not? So when you are so how we can create that object, guys? Where we have to create that what object, guys? You people already know where how to create that object, and where we can create that object. You people to know. Now tell me, guys, where we create that object, inside that class or inside that methods?
Main method.
Yeah, inside that method or inside that main method also we can create. So guys, tell me how we can create that main method, guys.
Public public void
Okay,
margin string
string is that string array or
args.
this is the reference variable, guys. Args is that reference variable for that array, right? So now tell me, guys, how we can create that object for that class? Guys, how to create that object? System data.
Example class.
You should be tell class name, guys. You should be tell class name reference variable equal to new operator and class name, guys. How we can create, guys? Class name. This is that my class name. Yes or no, guys? You can check. This is the class name or not. Data type example. Data type example is that my class name, and I'm going to creating what, guys? I'm that reference variable. This is the reference variable, guys. Example is that my reference variable. I'm going to using that what keyword, guys, here? New keyword. By using that new keyword, I'm going to creating that object. This is the way we can creating that object, guys. Right?
Yes.
Guys, getting or not? So when we are going to creating this object, when we are going to creating this object, at that moment, what happened, guys? At that moment, when we are going to creating this object, at that moment, that object means that object will be created. How it is going to created means how it is going to created object means, guys. You people can see here, guys. You people can see here. This is the there is a one circle is looking like as a circle, right, guys, below that in diagram. 1 minute, guys. Yeah, you people can observe here, guys. This is that circle, right? This is that creating that. This is the way creating that object, guys. Internally, like this object will be created, guys. When you people to creating that object at that moment, internal part, it will be done like this only, guys. Right? So I'm going to showing to that guys. I will show when we can write this line. When we can write this line, at that moment what happened, guys? You people can observe here. I'm going to using what, guys, here paint. Then it will be representing how it is going to happen. See here, guys. So when we are going to creating this class, this is the creation of that class and properties, and I'm declaring what, guys? One what, guys? I'm going to creating object for this class, guys. This is the class. When I'm going to creating this is the class object. At that moment, what happened, guys? It will be it will be created one object, guys. How it is going to creating that object means, say, guys, when you people write this line, guys, so at that moment, this is the object will be created, guys. This is the way object will be created internally, right? So internally, this object will be created, and this object, guys, see here, uh, you people to have that every employee, you people all are employee, right, guys? So you people have to that everyone that employee id is there or not, guys?
Yes, sir.
Same as like this is the object means you are pointing to that means that employee id pointing to that a particular area, that employee id can be identify that a particular employee. Yes or no, guys? Here also into that programmatically what happened, this is the object can be pointed by which variable, guys? Tell me which variable it is going to identify. What is the variable name here? Tell me, guys. This is the variable, this is the reference variable. It can be pointing to this object, guys. As getting or not? when you people are going to creating this object, this is the line, means creating that object. At that moment, internally, this is the way, this is the object will be created inside that object. And this is the object will be created, and this object will be handling, means pointing by some properties, guys. That is the properties we can call as a reference variable, object reference variable. What is the name of that object reference variable here, guys? Tell me. What is the
Example.
object reference variable here, guys?
Example.
Example. So that example can be pointing to this object, and it can be, guys, after creating this object, then that memory will be allocating to that. That memory will be allocating to that this non-static variable, guys. This non-static variable allocating that what, guys? Memory allocate. How it is going to allocating that memory, guys? How that static memory allocating that small boxes, same as like here also created. How many non-static variable is there? Those many box will be, means box nothing but is that memory will be created inside that object, guys. Right, guys? So it can be created that how many non-static variable is there, those many of what, guys, memory will be created. And after creating that memory, what value it will become, guys? If you are not able to assigning to that if you are not able to assigning that value for that non-static variable, then what value it will become, guys? Tell me. Default value will become, and it will be storing into this memory. So what are the default value will become for that byte data types, guys? Tell me. Zero. Here, this is the B data type. It is going to create in that what, guys, memory, and the default value will become what, guys? Zero. Guys, getting or not? Yeah, same as like how many non-static variable is there? Those many uh variable memory will be created, and that memory, what, guys? That memory can be default value should be injected into that memory, guys. Okay, all the variable pointing like that only, guys. Each and how many variable is there, those many memory will be created inside that object, guys. This is the memory created inside where, guys? Inside that object only. Inside that what object, guys? Data type example object. It will be created on object, and inside that object is going to created what, guys? Memory. Right? So inside that memory, that if you are not able to assigning to that any value, then what, guys? Which value it will become, guys? Here default value will become and store inside that memories. Guys, getting or not, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Getting, right? So what we have to do, there is a default values is there, that default value will become and store inside that where, guys? Inside that memory. Right? So this is the way internally part it will be happen for that non-static variable. Guys, getting or not?
Yes, sir.
So it is correct of what I explained. So internally it is really happened that creating that object, and it is the default value will be assigned to that what, guys? That non-static variable. Can we see that, guys, with practically, means how it is going to create in that object? Is it possible to can we see that object? Means we are not able to see that practically, guys, that object created or not. Means there is a There is an internal part, it's happened like that only. I said you guys, JVM is there, compiler is there. Guys, you people to see that compiler and JVM?
No.
No, right? So that is that what guys? Virtually it will be happen internally, guys. Right? There is a command we are going to using at that moment compiler is there, and when you are going to using that when you are going to running that application, at that moment our command is that different. At that moment JVM will become, so we are not able to see that practical as it means the JVM, but virtually it's happened, guys, right? So same as like internally non-static variable allocating that memory like this only. Guys, you people getting clearly or not, guys? Tell me.
Second.
Yeah. Now go and check into that our website, guys. Already I created what guys? One image here. Inside that static variable is there, and inside that non-static variable also is there. Static variable allocating that memory at that compile time, and the default value will become here. If I assign to that any value, then default value not able to come. That assigned value will become and store here, guys. But inside that non-static variable, when I'm going to creating this demo d equal to new demo, at that moment what guys, memory will be object will be created, and memory will be assigned for that non-static variable, and what guys, that default value will, what guys, that assigned value will become and store here, guys getting or not? Now you people are clear or not, guys, how it is happened internally,
Yes, sir.
right? So guys, can we see with that practically, guys? Yesterday we had completed that static variable, that default value getting or not. Can we see, guys, today the default value for that non-static variable when we creating that object? We will see with that practical, guys. Okay, primitive type with that word, guys, non-static variable. Data type example, example 2. Okay, I'm going to creating here, guys, object, class created, and tell me, guys, what are the non-static variable, how we can create? Public
By
byte p equal to, can we declare that values, guys? Here I will show you that assigning that value, and without assigning that value I will show you. Okay, I'm declaring that variable now. Byte public what, guys, next? Short public int what, guys, next? Long and yeah big float and public, right, guys, and one more public boolean. Right, guys, this is the way we can create non-static variable. So already is that b variable is there, guys. That is the reason it is throwing error. Yeah, it's creating, guys. Now you people tell me, guys, next what we have to do. If we want to allocate in that memory, what should I to do, guys? Tell me. We need to, if we run that application, then we require to that main method. So yeah, I'm going to create that main method. And if we want to allocate in that non-static members to that memory, then what we have to do, guys? Tell me.
Create object.
Creating that object for that class, guys. So how we can create that class? Class name I'm going to give in what, guys? Example is that reference variable, and name is that operator. I'm going to using that class name, guys. This is the way we can creating that object, right, guys? When I'm going to write this line, at that moment, internally what happened, guys? This object will be created, and that inside that object, that non-static variable memory will be created, guys. Right? So what we have to do is really happen like that or not? Can we check, guys? So what we have to do, guys? How we can use that non-static variable, guys? Tell me. Example dot what, guys? B. What is the value for that default value for that B, guys? B1, sorry,
Zero.
B is that 0, right, guys? So why it is 0 means there is a we are not able to assign that any value for that non-static variable. That is the reason there is a default value for that byte is there. That value will be come into that. It can be pointing that value, and that value can be printing here. Can we run this application, guys? I'm going to running this application, and that B value, what it will be print, we will see here. See here, guys, is going to printing 0. I don't want to print that default values, guys. I don't want to print that default values. I need to assign that what, guys? I need to assign that sum. What, guys? Then I'm going to assign it for that B. I'm going to assign it that value for that B, guys. Now tell me what are the value it will become, guys? 10. So guys, tell me when I'm going to write assigning that value at that moment, come into that what, guys? Come into that diagram. At that moment, if I am assigning to the B value as a 10, at that moment that 0 value will become a 10 value will become, guys. Yeah, 0 will be removed and 10 will be assigning to this memory, guys. Guys, getting or not clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I'm going to assigning to that all the non-static variable. I'm going to assigning that some values, guys. You people can observe here. I'm going to assigning that word, guys. I'm going to assigning as a 20, and for that I am going to what, guys, here equal, and I equal to I'm going to assigning as a 30, right? And L I'm going to give in what, guys? Mobile number related data I'm going to give in, right? Right, guys. So if you are given that like this, then it will be get that error, guys. Then what we have to do, guys? Tell me. That data, if we want to represent it as a long, then you people can give that L, guys, last. Guys, getting or not? Yeah, same as like if we want to represent, if we want to assign in that any value for that what, guys, char data type, then you people must and should use what, guys? Single quotation. This is the inside that single quotation. You can write anything, guys. If you want to give that space, you can give. If you are not able to give that, it will be throw that error, guys. Compile time error. Must and should give that anything, guys. You can give that any space, no problem. If you want to give that symbol, no problem. If you want to give that digit, no problem. If you want to give that any letter, no problem. it will be accepted. Only that char data type can be stored that only one digit, guys. How many digits it can be stored, guys?
One digit.
Only one digit. Is it possible one more digit, guys? Here, see here, it is not possible to store that more than one digit, guys, right? So this is the way we can define that word, guys, char data types. Now tell me, guys, how we can assign into that float number, guys. You people to already know 10.0.0. This is the way we can define that word, guys, floating point number. But this is the floating point number. If we want to identify, then you can give that word, guys. You people too can give that F. Guys, getting or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now tell me, guys, how we can represent a double data, guys. I'm going to give a same as like what, guys? I'm going to give an 11.10. Guys, see here, guys. It is going to give you that 11.10, 11.12, 11.0, 11 in whatever it can be accessed, guys. It can be stored, right? You people go and check, guys. You people can go and check what are the default size for that word, guys. Double, you can check here, 8 byte, and what is the default size for that byte, guys? Sorry, float, 4 byte. Means that double can be stored 4 bytes or not, guys. Guys, we people too can observe here, guys. This is that 1 byte. 1 byte can, is it possible to store into that word, guys? I will show that one more example for that how it is going to storing and what are the capabilities is there. How much value can be stored? Each and everything I will explain you, guys. Right? See here, you people can observe here, guys. This is the way we can assign in that value, right, guys? But the boolean data type, what are the boolean data type? What it can be stored, guys? It can be stored that if you are not able to assign in that any value as a true or false, then by default, that what is the default value for that boolean, guys? False is the default value, right? So I don't want to that give that default value. I need to give that what, guys? True. Default value as it, right? This is the way we can assign in that value, guys. Right? So how we can print, guys? This is the how we can print this variable. Same as like creating that object, and we can by using that reference variable we can print. Yes, you people to know that thing, right, guys? B, I'm going to using example.b, example.s. Guys, I'm going to calling these variables, guys. I'm going to call in that non-static variables. Example.s. I'm going to using this reference variable, reference variable dot variable name, right? So what is that next reference variable, guys? I. And what is that next? L. Next, guys, C.
C.
What is that next? F.
Yeah.
And what is that next, guys?
D.
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 D. And next, guys, D1.
B1.
This is the way we can call that variable, right, guys? Guys, you people already complete this part into that when, guys, inside that
Yes.
types of variable. You people completed or not? That memo, but at that time I'm not able to explaining how it is going to creating internally that object, how it is going to create it, and how it is going to allocating that memory. I'm not able to explain it at that time, guys. Then you people aware or not now, guys, how to create, how it is going to creating, how we can creating that object at that moment, how it is going to creating that internally object, and how it is going to allocating that memory, and after creating that memory, how it is coming to that default value. Each and everything you people know or not, guys, for that static variable and non-static variable.
Yes, sir.
Yes, right? So I'm going to executing this application. You can run this application, guys. Yeah, this is the way we can print that non-static variables, guys. Yes, getting or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. Okay, guys. So this is the way we can creating that non-static variable, and this is the way we can print that non-static variables. Right? Okay, guys. So guys, you people to know that chat GPT, guys, chat GPT.
Yes, sir.
All are know or don't know. If you
Yes,
don't,
sir.
everyone to know that chat GPT, right? Okay. So guys,
Yes, sir.
what should I to do? We can check. If we can search one chat GPT inside the chat GPT. What is the minimum range for that data type, and what is the maximum range for that data type? Can we check, guys? We can write a program, guys. We can write a program. What is the, I define that what is the default value, what is the minimum value it can be stored, guys. See, you people can observe here, guys. there is a there is a minimum byte is that minimum value is there, guys. That minimum value is that what, guys? 0 to 127, guys. Sorry, 127, right? Yeah, it can be stored 0 to 127, guys. If you see, you people can check, guys. Here I'm storing what, guys? 127. It's not able to getting that error, but you people can try here, guys. 128, 128, it is going to storing, guys. There is a,
Most.
every data type has that what, guys? Every data type has into that minimum range and maximum range is there, guys. Minimum range is there and maximum range is there, guys. So that maximum range of that byte can be stored my what, guys? 127 only. 0 to 127 only, guys. Guys, getting or not? So we are not able to, we need to know that, guys, what is the default value for that what is the minimum range and maximum range for that chart we can see, guys, right? Minimum and maximum. So I'm not able to write, guys. You people to know, right, guys, entire thing how it is going to write each and everything, define that variable, assigning that value, calling that variable. You people clear or not, guys? Now tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what
Yes.
should I to do? I'm just saying to here, byte is that there is a default value is there. That is that 0 to 127 is there. Same as like same as like every data type has that every data type has that what, guys? Default values. Then what are the not default value, guys? Minimum value is there and maximum value is there, guys. Minimum, it can be stored as a minimum range is there and maximum range is there, guys. We will check that, right? So how it is going to store into that after that there is a concept is there, guys. Type what, guys? Mm, typecasting. Typecasting is there, and one more concept is there, guys. What we have to call wrapper classes concept is there, guys. Then you people to understand that, then you should be use what, guys? What is the minimum range for that byte, and what is the maximum range for that byte, and what is the minimum range for that short, what is the maximum range for that short? We will see all those things, guys, right? So what I need to do, I need to go and check here, guys, into that chart GPT, guys. You people to check. So you people to know, some people to know or don't know, I don't know, but I will introduce here is that chart GPT. Chart GPT is that one of the what, guys? AI tool, right? So by using that ChatGPT AI tool, we can ask to the ChatGPT what we have to require, what type of questions. If we ask to that, each and everything that answer can be given by that ChatGPT, guys. Nowadays, without ChatGPT, we are not able to complete that what, guys, single requirement inside that our software industry. Guys, getting or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So for that, what should I to do? I'm going to use in the chat GPT. Inside the chat GPT, I'm going to using what, guys? Data types minimum and maximum. See here, guys, how I'm going to writing that. How I'm going to writing that. How I'm going to asking the question to the chat GPT. You people to observe here, guys. No. Okay, guys. So I already opened that somewhere. See here, guys. I'm going to open in the chat GPT here, and I'm asking to the chat GPT how I'm going to asking that chat GPT that programmatically, guys, you people can concentrate here. I want minimum and maximum range of what, guys, primitive data types. Example, example in Java. You can just type, guys. This is the way we can ask to the chat GPT. Then it will be give that entire thing, guys, for us. With example, I want a program, right? So with example, I want one program. Is already given to that word, guys. So I guess how much value it can be stored, guys. You people can observe. I said you that what is that minimum value is there, guys? Minus 127 to my maximum is that 127. It can be stored. Same as like what, guys? That chart can be stored that minus 32,000 to 32,768 to what, guys? Maximum is that 32,767, guys. If people really it is happened or not, can we check, guys? If you want to check, then you can copy this, guys, and go to that our where Eclipse for that what, guys, chart only, right? So this is that maximum range, guys. This is that maximum range. It can be stored to that chart. If you are given more than this is the 67, right, guys? If you people to give that 68, it's not able to store, guys. That maximum size is that 767 only, but I'm going to trying what, guys, 768. There is a range is there, guys. That is this is the range for that word, guys. This is the range for that chart, guys. You people are getting or not, guys? right? You people can observe here, byte is that minus 127 to max 127, and short is at minus 32,768 to max is that 32,767, guys. Same as like this is that int is there, guys. This is that int data. This is that long data. This is that float data. This is that what, guys? Double data. This is that character, right? This is the char data types, guys. So we already asked to that one programmatically, guys. So you people can see here, guys. It will be give that I don't know that what is the default value, minimum and maximum for that word, guys. Int data type, right? I don't know that int. I saw that only word, guys. Int and byte. What is that byte? Is that a minimum and maximum range is there, guys? 127 I said. But what is that short? Is that a minimum and maximum? 32,000. Max is the 32,767 I said. But I don't know what is the mean of this. I don't know, right, guys? So how much data it can be stored? I am asking to that chat GPT. It will be give that word, guys. See here how it is going to give in byte is that, guys. How it is going to asking to that word, guys, minimum value and maximum value. Then see here, guys, minimum value is that 127 for that word, 128 for that byte, and maximum value for that 127. I'm just given that example. But when we are going to using this application, that all the data type minimum and maximum data, minimum range and maximum range, it will become, guys. Can we see, guys, that, guys, you people to know, right? Already no or don't know, guys?
Yes, sir.
Right. So what should I to do? I'm going to creating one more dummy class, guys. I'm going to creating one dummy class, and I need to identify that what is the minimum range and maximum range I need to identify, right? So minimum and max value of data type limit. Right, yes, I'm going to creating it, and just copied that class. I'm going to copy it here, guys. What should I to do? I need to paste here, guys. If people observe here, guys, how I'm going to doing this, just deleting the entire thing and just copy paste it. So what should I to do? I need to rename that class name, guys. Yeah, it is done, guys. I shown you that practically only byte and short, guys. But I want shown that what is the minimum value and maximum value for that word, guys. Int. Right, guys? You people can observe here, guys, how much value it can be stored. What is the minimum value and maximum value? You people can observe here, guys. I'm going to running this application. See here, guys. Minimum and maximum value of primitive data types in Java. Byte minimum value how much, guys? Minus 127 to max 127. Short is that minimum value how much, guys? Minus 32,768. Guys, you people observe or not? You can go up and check. There is a short is at minus 32,768. That is the value came or not, guys? Minus 32,768 to maximum. That maximum value is that 32,767, right, guys? And for that int, this is the value for that minimum value for that int. This is that maximum value for that int, guys. Guys, getting or not? This is that long,
Yes,
guys.
sir.
This much value it can be stored, guys. If we are trying with that more than this value, it's not able to hold, guys. Can we check that practically? If we define that any values here, guys, I'm going to defining that what, guys, this is the what value, guys, long, right? So I'm going to given that what, guys, long l equal to, I'm given what, guys, this is the value I'm going to given. It can be what, is the local variable, right? I'm going to give an long, right? So what we have to do, guys, how we can represent this is the long data, guys. We can give that what L, right, guys? If you are trying with that 80, guys, you people can concentrate here, guys. 807. If I give that 808, guys, is not able to store. This is the maximum range. That is the reason it's not able to hold, guys. Guys, getting or not clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is the way minimum and maximum value for that all the primitive data types, guys. Then sir, this is the range. Can I remember all those things? Means it's not required, guys, but you should be required that what is the minimum range for that int, byte, and short. You should be what, guys, remember, right? And you should be remember what, guys, there is a one more concept is there, what there is a default values and what, guys, default range is there. Default range for that, what, guys, data types. This is the default range, default values. You should be size is that you should be remember, guys. This is the table you should be remember, guys. Getting or not, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the data type concept, and what is the minimum value and what is the maximum value I shown with that practical, guys. Do you have any questions, guys, in that?
No, sir.
No, right? So, guys, yeah, you don't have that any questions. Then you people can observe here, guys. You people can observe. What should I to do? I need to take this is the example, guys, and go to that way to that. You can observe here, guys. You people can observe. But minimum size is that minus 127 to maximum 127, guys. Then then byte can be stored that short or not, guys. If I see, you people can observe here. I'm going to define in that variable, guys. You people observe here. You people observe. I'm going to define that byte b equal to 10. Right, guys? Guys, this is the byte. I'm going to define that b equal to 10. Right, guys? So what should I to do? What should I to do? I'm going to define that one more variable, that is that short. Short s equal to I'm going to give an what, guys, b. Is it correct or not, guys?
Yes, sir.
Guys, you people can concentrate here. You people can concentrate here. What is the maximum size for that byte, guys?
120.
That I'm going to assigning here what value, guys? 10. 10 can be holding to that byte. Yes or no, guys? Then you people can observe here, guys, what is the maximum size for that short, guys, here? 32,767. Then that byte value can be stored that short or not, guys? Storing or not? Then you people can tell me, guys. You people can tell me. Now I'm going to creating, guys. I'm going to using that short is that upside. I'm defining that short word, guys. S equal to I'm given what, guys, just 50. Okay, and I'm defining that word, guys, byte b equal to yes. Is it correct, guys? Is it correct?
Sir.
Correct. Guys, how many members are saying to that correct, guys? Here, tell me. Guys, you people are missing that logics. You people are missing that logic. When that you people are thinking how you people are thinking, I think short is given that 50 and byte is that what guys, byte that minimum value what guys, uh, byte is that minimum value 127 but I'm given only 50. That is the reason why it is not able to handle, why it is not able to holding. You are thinking right like that? No, guys, when you are going to define in that data type, that data type should be, this is the range will be injected inside, guys, right? And if you give that at least what guys, if you give in that what guys, just that assigning value as a one, and if you are trying to store inside that word guys, inside that byte, it's not able to hold because of, if people can observe here, what is the range for that, what is the range for that word guys, bytes, you people can observe here. See here guys, this is the default size, it can be stored what guys, where is that byte, only one byte, this is the default size only, one byte only, but you people can see here guys, 2 bytes. 2 byte means guys, you people can, one more example I will tell you guys. There is a concept is there guys, concept is nothing but I'm going to telling how why it is not able to storing means I'm saying to you people, right? So what should I to do here guys, I'm going to creating guys, we know that bucket, right guys? See here, this is that one small bucket guys, you can think this is that small bucket, and this is that little bit big bucket guys. Inside that little bit big bucket, this bucket will be store or not guys, it can be hold or not, it can be hold. And we have one more bucket is there guys, that is little bit big bucket compared with that second one. So that second one bucket also it can be stored inside that big bucket or not guys. Yeah, I'm going to taking, yeah, I'm going to taking one more bucket, that is that little bit bucket for that comparing with that third bucket. I'm going to taking that little bit big. So that third bucket will be storing inside that fourth bucket or not guys. Yeah, same as like there is a data type size that range given that differently guys. Yes or no guys? That is the reason that what guys, lesser data type value can be stored into that bigger data type guys. This is that you people can observe now here guys. Byte is that lesser value and short is that greater value. So short byte can be stored into that short, but short cannot be stored into that byte guys. Guys, how it is going to happen means, this is that big bucket guys. Is it possible to store it in this what guys, small bucket? Is it possible to store inside this?
No,
No, right? Same as like the data type also having to that word guys. Storage is that internally given by that word guys. This is the data. It can be defined. This is the data that default size. It will be defined, and you people can observe here guys. That is the range it is having. Based on that range, it can be stored that value. Guys, getting or not, this is that you people can observe, you people can analyze, this is that word guys, this is that byte and this is the word guys, this is that short so byte can be stored in short and this is that int, so inside that int byte can be stored, short can be stored, inside int store it can be stored or not guys. Now you people can think this is that long, inside that long, that byte also having that lesser value, then it can be stored into that short is that lesser than what guys, int, then it can be stored into that where guys, int, and it is that lesser than long, that is the reason it can be stored inside that what guys, long. Guys, getting or not?
yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is the one of the concept is there guys. There is a typecasting concept is there. That typecasting concept we can discuss tomorrow, guys. Guys, till now you people are getting or not, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm going to stopping here, guys. You people can practice. You people can what, guys? Analyze, and you can practice with the all the data types, guys. With the primitive and a static variable and non-static variable, you can create and you can call. You can give that different value, and you can practice like that. Okay.
Okay.
So there is no doubt for you people till now, right? Yeah. Okay, Manoj, you can stop your mic, guys. You can. Okay, guys. If you don't have that any questions, then you can drop off that classes. That's all.
Thank you, sir.